In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from Manage Engine, to detect multiple system audit policy changes. System audit policy refers to a set of rules and guidelines that govern how an organization's IT systems monitor and record specific events such as user actions, system changes, security incidents, and application behavior. The primary goal of a system audit policy is to ensure that critical events are tracked, recorded, and made available for forensic investigations. Changes to system audit policies can greatly impact the security and integrity of an organization's IT infrastructure. Multiple system audit policy changes can indicate that an attacker is trying to hide their presence and actions within the system. For example, attackers who gain unauthorized access to a system may attempt to alter audit policies to disable logging and cover their tracks. The same can also be true for insiders engaging in unauthorized or malicious activities. Tracking policy changes can help detect insider threats, accelerate incident response, and mitigate the risk of data breaches. Monitoring audit policy changes can also help identify vulnerabilities or misconfigurations in the system, such as inadequate access controls or overly broad permissions. Most industries are subject to data protection regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX, which mandate strict auditing and logging requirements. This includes maintaining audit trails of changes made to internal policies to protect the integrity of logs. Organizations may face legal and financial repercussions if they fail to comply. To successfully execute an attack, threat actors may begin by using reconnaissance tactics and network scanning techniques to gather information about the target system, user accounts, and potential vulnerabilities. Once identified, attackers can exploit these weaknesses or carry out phishing or other social engineering attacks to gain initial entry into the victim system. To establish and maintain access, they may install a remote access tool and carry out privilege escalation to gain admin privileges. Attackers can then move laterally and scan the network to identify other valuable systems or harvest credentials using techniques such as keylogging or pass the hash attacks. After checking for gaps or weaknesses in the logging policies, attackers may start altering audit policies to disable event logging for critical activities or even delete event logs. With logging disabled, threat actors can perform malicious actions such as installing malware or exfiltrating data. They may finally ensure persistent access by installing additional backdoors, creating hidden user accounts, or modifying legitimate software to include malicious code. Now let's see how a unified SIM solution like Log360 can help in a situation like this. Log360 comes with predefined correlation rules to detect multiple system audit policy changes. Correlation is the process of identifying a sequence of events across one or more devices which are all related and form a single incident. You can find such out-of-the-box rules for various security use cases under the Correlation tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select Manage Rule and click on Search to find the correlation rule for multiple system audit policy changes. To understand how this rule works, let's make a copy of the rule. The correlation rule for detecting multiple system audit policy changes alerts you whenever a system audit policy is modified on a Windows device. However, the criteria for the rule to be triggered is that there should be at least 5 changes made within 2 minutes and the username and the device name should be constant. While this rule will help you detect multiple system audit policy changes, to get timely alerts, ensure that you enable the alert profile option available beside the rule name. You can find the reports of multiple system audit policy changes either by using the Search Available Reports option or by using the drop-down menu under Potential Windows Threats. Apart from giving you a visual representation of the number of correlated events, Log360 provides details such as when the action occurred, the associated device, user, and the domain involved. By clicking Event Timeline, you can track the entire sequence of events responsible for the generated alert. Click on Details to learn more about the individual events such as the severity, host type, source, logon ID, and event ID. Log 360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log 360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as disabling a computer or logging off and disabling the user. This can help you stop an attack before it causes damage. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Implement MFA, review user privileges, and grant access based on the principle of least privilege. Identify gaps or weaknesses by reviewing and updating your audit and security policies. It's also important to develop and document comprehensive incident response procedures. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support at manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log 360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log 360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.